YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. It feels so good to be back on the YouTube. And it feels so good to be seeing a cheaper price on Bitcoin, guys. I'm excited. I don't know about you guys. I know that's kind of like a lot. Some of you guys was buying the top. We were already talking about the fact that we were overbought. We weren't buying the top. We were waiting on this dip. This is literally what I've been waiting for months. But in my opinion, I don't think it's over. I don't think this sell-off is over. As you guys can see, Bitcoin starting to form yet another bear flag. Just like right here, we formed this bear flag, and I was telling you guys just yesterday, this is looking like a short here. It's looking like a short opportunity. And everybody who was long in it right here, they got absolutely liquidated. All the paper hands just getting wrecked, and that's what's going to happen right now. That's what happens in a market correction. I'm just saying, like, a lot of paper hands get wrecked. A lot of people that are trading leverage get wrecked. So I don't like to trade leverage. I never trade leverage. I have coins that I do like to dollar cost average into when Bitcoin is at a cheaper price. In my opinion, though, this is not a buy opportunity. Not yet. It's not flashing anything that would tell me that this bleeding is going to stop. Bitcoin is not creating, it's already broke its uptrend. Look, shoulder, head, shoulder breakdown right there. And also the fact that we just couldn't break out of this range. This ascending wedge right here was really the catalyst that started breaking down this trend, and then it moved sideways. It tried to make it back, tried to rally back, was a fake out, dropped back, right back down, created that head and shoulders, and then this really started creating some fear right here. Once we got here, created this bear flag, bam, breakdown, fake out, bam, bear flag, and now another bear flag forming. And again, with having right around the corner, I do expect Bitcoin to bleed. It's of course causing a lot of blood in the marketplace, absolutely crazy. Maybe I should be going live today, man, because it seems like a lot of people want to know what the heck's going on. But again, guys, this is not anything that we weren't already talking about. Like, we were already talking about the fact that this was going to happen, the big correction. This is it. This is it. We're already down, like, how much are we down already this month? Already down on Bitcoin, maybe like already over close to 40%. So we're looking at close to a 40% correction on Bitcoin already in the past month. 40 to 45% correction already on Bitcoin in the past month. So again, guys, this is good. This is what we need. What we need for the market is more support. We need to create more levels of support for Bitcoin, because us running up in price 50% in a month is not healthy. It's not sustainable. That's why I was telling you guys at 71,000, I was telling you guys way over here, guys, hey, we're overbought. This is not looking good. And it ended up dropping down, and guess what? It ran right back up, right? But that was a fake out, and then we dropped dramatically. Our RSI has been insanely overbought, and you know, we're heading into some zones of reasonable accumulation, but also we can drop down even further, guys. Honestly, I think we will. I talked about the fact that even when we were up here, that I don't know, I feel like we need one more retest. I think we're going to go down, hit 61 again. It seems like we will hit 61 again, but honestly, I feel like we're going to correct down a little bit more. If I had to guess, if you want my prediction on Bitcoin, what the bottom of Bitcoin will be, I'll tell you this. I'll tell you, I do not believe that Bitcoin will go back down to 35,000. I do not believe that. I think that if you can catch Bitcoin at a cheaper price, I think that it will pay off in time, in my opinion. That's just what I believe. So, again, it's always speculative. Bitcoin is highly speculative. These altcoins are highly speculative. And I don't know what's going to happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Like, nobody knows what's going to happen. But again, I could tell you guys, Bitcoin all time logarithmic, right? Is this looking like a little hiccup in the road on the way to some higher highs? Maybe similar to possibly even something like we saw happening here. and then this may be happening here, seeing a little bit of sell-off before another big run-up to 150,000 after the halving, in my opinion. That's my price prediction. Again, not financial advice. I'm not telling you when to sell if it's going to go there or whatever. I'm just saying, in my opinion, I do predict that Bitcoin will go between 150 to 200,000. I've heard all types of predictions, though. Some people predict much higher, and some people predict that we've already reached our top. So again, they're all predictions. The market is just that. It's just a bunch of human psychology, a bunch of people buying, a bunch of people selling, and a bunch of people trying to use indicators to determine, based off the psychology, what's going to happen next. So that's all I do. I just use indicators. I'm not a financial consultant. Do not use me for your financial advice. I'm not a source of your financial advice. Okay, you need to do your own research. I just talk to you guys really about charts. Really, this channel is about education to the core. Like, I really want, and I'm not just saying that because like a lot of YouTubers are like, yeah, this is not financial advice, this is just education. Like, no, I really want you guys to leave my videos and take something out of them. Like, learn from what you see instead of like looking for what to buy. Like, listen to what I'm saying, because this game takes patience, and some people were really greedy. And be honest with yourself. Tell me in the comments if you were greedy, if you were buying this insane top over here when Bitcoin's RSI was up like crazy. Like, were you buying this when the fear greed index was at 94%? Were you buying this? Because that's not a good time to be buying, guys. Right now, we're still in the middle of a correction. And I think Bitcoin's going to correct down. But that's just my take on it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Also, are you shopping meme coins right now? Like, what meme coins do you think will perform well? I think that if Bitcoin is going to be a falling knife, that there's not going to be a lot of Bitcoin or a lot of meme coins that are going to do well. It's going to be the money's going to be very few and far in between. And the market is just not going to be as hot, you know. But again, maybe I'm wrong. Look, some of these coins seem to be getting some volume. But again, it's always highly speculative in the cryptocurrency world, guys. What do you guys think? What coins are you bullish on? How do you feel about Bitcoin? Do you feel like I'm wrong? Do you feel like Bitcoin is headed to 12,000 or below? Or do you think that do you think I'm right? Do you think that, you know, 35K would be the ultimate bearish, like, that's the ultimate bottom in my opinion? But I don't even think it'll get that low. I really don't think it'll get that low. I think that, you know, our correction could even we could drop down to the 5s and then take off. We could drop down here to this 52 range and then start seeing a comeback with Bitcoin also. So, or Bitcoin can double bottom here at 61 and decide to jump up. In my opinion, if that did happen, if Bitcoin jumps off of 61 one more time, we're going to create a head and shoulders and we're going to dump before the halving. Either way, we're going to dump, in my opinion. That's just what I think. Again, I am so bullish on Bitcoin. My price prediction for Bitcoin, one more time, between 150 and 200. Not financial advice, not telling you when to buy or sell your Bitcoin. That's my prediction. So it could be wrong. It's just a prediction. But again, let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.